Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to make your Android phone less distracting. Reducing distractions on your phone helps you stay focused, be more productive, and make this video perfect for you to go. And here's a clear step-by-step to help you stay focused. First, to unlock your Android phone and open the Settings app. Tap the Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Review your screen time to identify distracting apps. Tap App Timers. Set daily limits for social media and entertainment apps. Go back and enable the focus mode. Choose apps to pause while focusing. Schedule focus mode during work or study hours. Return to Settings, then Notifications, and turn off non-essential notifications. Enable Do Not Disturb for uninterrupted time. Move distracting apps to a folder or another home screen. Switch to a minimalist home screen or launcher. Then lock the setup and enjoy a calmer, distraction-free experience. Extra tips: enable grayscale to make apps less tempting. Remove notification badges and keep only essential widgets and play social apps off the main screen. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.